Dear friends, I am happy to inform you that today in the budget session, I have announced a new scheme, which is meant especially for our young students. It is called the CM Scholarship Scheme. This scheme is in addition to the central scholarship that you are receiving right now. Through this scheme, we will be providing 6,000 rupees per annum to all students pursuing post-metric courses. I also would like to clarify that there have been certain delays in the post-metric scholarship which you receive from central government. The delay is mostly because of the delay from the central government side in releasing the funds. We are doing our best to persuade government